Hi, my name is Gust with Bowman Stoves in Castle Creek, New York. I've been selling Woodmaster for 5 years. Love their product line, the variation that they have in pellets, flex fuel, cordwood. The technology that they're using from Europe has been fantastic. The company themselves, as far as their support and their sales guys and just their all-around company family-like atmosphere that they work with is spectacular. They're always there for answers, questions. The other end of the phone works, and it's great to have that backing for us, the dealer, and you, the end user. We've sold the traditional line. We're doing a lot of the new pellet products, as well as expanding into the large commercial programs with up to 6.8 million BTUs generated via wood chips, pellets, and looking forward to it.